leabhar na Gaeilge ag fásaigh ag forbairt a glúndal Cána Gcónaí.
I try to use Irish every day in my job, even if it's just saying go to a customer or take pictures as they walk through the door.
Bhrálam níos mó Gaeilge a leirt gach lá.
Is mis sé Gemma agus tá mé gobar in níor crana.
Dave, take long a girl on the Saturday. Tom, we go for it, boss odds.
It's great to hear Irish spoken in Dublin. Check them, okay.
Well, that now we will get used government.
Le chéile tá poblaigh!
Craig Cantor, Ian Fubble.